Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X, withdrawing your FX tokens. Now, if you guys want to stay up to date with my daily crypto videos, Pundi X videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, we're just going to jump straight into it. To continue staking, you're required to log into the X wallet to unlock a new session every 7 days. You will be able to withdraw your FX tokens after 4 7-day sessions or 28 days. Now, to withdraw your tokens, you will be required to complete a task, such as sharing on social media, completing in-store transactions, or a transfer. Now, I'm assuming that the transfer one is going to be done through the X Wallet app itself, so it's probably going to be the fastest way for you to be able to withdraw your tokens after that 28 days is passed. Now, if you're like me, you're probably wondering, why is this needed? The only things that I can think of is for security purposes, as well as if you choose the social media route, it could also be to help spread awareness of the Function X ecosystem. But nonetheless, the tasks are not complicated and well worth your FX tokens. Now, the next stage will also be a 28-day period for staking. You will be required to go back into your X Wallet app and click Start Staking. If you do not do this, it will not automatically stake for you, so make sure you do so. Also, the X Wallet will send you a reminder, and I will also be sure to post a short video reminding you all to do so, because essentially you're getting free Function X tokens, so why not stake while you can? Because the staking is not going to last forever, so might as well get your tokens while you can. Also, keep in mind that the details are subject to change if the Pundi X team sees fit. However, if I see any changes on the details for staking or swapping your tokens for Function X tokens, I'll be sure to post a video as soon as I see them, and keep you guys up to date on all of that. But now that pretty much covers it for this video. But if you guys have any extra questions of any other content that I have shared with you guys, then make sure you comment down below and let me know what you would like to for me to go into more detail about. Now, if you have any suggestions or anything you want to see me cover in my next videos, then make sure you comment down below as well. And as well as I will be putting down the link of the article that I read and I got all this information from, just in case if you guys want to go and look at it yourselves, then you can do that as well. But anyhow, I will see you guys on the next video.